Hey everyone, AimTex here with a hunt down of the absolute best Amazon finds that make life smoother, smarter, and just plain better. Today, we've got a mega haul. Products that tackle everything from breakfast chaos to DIY dilemmas. Get ready to upgrade. And of course, every single amazing item you're about to see is linked directly in the description below. Now, let's get to the good stuff. First, let's tackle breakfast, the most important and often most rushed. Mornings just got a major upgrade with the Hamilton Beach Dual Breakfast Sandwich Maker. Forget fast food drive-thrus. You can make 2 custom breakfast sandwiches with your fresh ingredients right at home and faster than you think. Just layer in your English muffin, cheese, pre-cooked meat, crack an egg onto the cooking plate, top it off, close the lid, and set the timer. In about 5 minutes, listen for the beep, slide out those cooking plates, and boom! 2 perfectly hot, toasty, and assembled breakfast sandwiches ready to go. And cleanup? It's a breeze! All the removable parts are non-stick and dishwasher safe. That's good thinking. And for perfect eggs every single time without the guesswork, the Dash Rapid Egg Cooker. This little powerhouse cooks up to 6 eggs just how you like them. Hard-boiled in minutes? What about poached eggs? Yes, perfectly poached for that Eggs Benedict? Absolutely. Even individual omelets. Just add water, press the button, and let it do the work. Breakfast hero right there. Now for some comfort and ambience boosters. When the temperature drops, or you just need some extra coziness, there's nothing like the homemade heated blanket. This isn't just any blanket, it's incredibly soft, with flannel on one side and luxurious Sherpa on the other. And despite its warmth, it's surprisingly lightweight. Safety is key, and this one boasts ETL certification and NTC overheat protection. You've got 10 heat levels to choose from and multiple auto-off timers. It heats up fast, significantly warmer in just 5 minutes, with a bigger, more uniform heating area. Ultimate comfort, on demand. Voila! It also machine washable. Okay, who's tired of never having enough ice, especially when you need it most? These countertop ice makers are about to change your life. First up, the Ahomey Nugget Ice Maker. Imagine 35 pounds of that amazing, chewable nugget ice every 24 hours. Just add water and it gets to work. Perfect for those ice-cold flavored drinks or just keeping everything chilled. But what if you need ice on the go? The Silon Ice Maker is the world's first battery-powered ice maker. This is a game changer for camping, picnics, or tailgating. 4 ways to power it up, including battery and solar. It chills in just 6 minutes, has a 3-hour battery life, and a large ice basket. The joy of outdoor ice making is here. Want smart ice? The Govee Life Smart Countertop Ice Maker works with Alexa and an app. Choose your ice size, small, medium, or large bullet ice. It even has an RGB indicator light for when the basket is full and a super convenient 10-minute self-cleaning cycle. How cool is that? Everyone needs some kitchen organization and utility first. Let's get those spices organized. The Kamenstein Revolving 20-Jar Countertop Rack Tower. This sleek stainless steel design gives you quick access to 20 essential spices, all with clearly labeled caps. And here's the kicker. It comes with 5 years of free spice refills, all filled in the USA. Amazing value. Tired of digging in the back of those deep, dark cabinets? Or need to tackle multiple cluttered spots? These cabinet racks are for you. The G-Geyer Pull-Out Cabinet Organizer is an absolute game changer. Its pull-out design means easy access to everything without the struggle. See how it transforms messy kitchen cabinets, pantries, bathroom vanities, even closets. No more lost items, just smooth, organized bliss. What about the Fenbiao 2-pack of expandable pull-out cabinet organizers? These are heavy-duty, feature an easy expandable design to fit your space, and check this out. They install with strong adhesive, so no drilling required. Watch how easily this messy cabinet becomes a beacon of organization for cans, jars, plates, you name it. double the decluttering power. Now for some kitchen utilities. Delicious food often comes in jars, but opening them, not always delicious. If you've ever struggled with a stubborn lid, the KitchenMa electric jar opener is here to save the day. It requires just 2 AA batteries. Simply place it on any size jar, press the switch, and it automatically grips and twists, freeing your hands. It comes in multiple colors and makes opening jars an absolute breeze. Meet your new kitchen workhorse, the US Kitchen Supply stainless steel over-the-sink colander. Chef Jennifer shows just how versatile it is. Its expandable rubber grip handles fit perfectly over your sink, helping you avoid the mess while washing fruits and veggies. It's made from durable, rust-proof stainless steel with a mirror finish and resting feet. Perfect for draining pasta and so many other uses. And it's incredibly easy to clean. With a 6-quart capacity, it's a kitchen essential. Feeling inspired yet? These gadgets are serious problem solvers. Remember, all these amazing finds are linked for you in the description. Using them makes locating them on Amazon easier for you, and it is also the best way to support the channel. So thank you in advance. Now, for more brilliance, for my DIY mates, need a serious workbench but short on space? The Keter folding work table from their Do-It-Myself show line is incredible. It's so compact and portable, yet it unfolds in seconds to a super sturdy work surface that can hold up to 1,000 pounds. It's very easy to set up, comes with clamps, and is perfect for sawing, painting, drilling, any project. And when you're done, it folds flat for easy storage. A DIY dream. Stop dropping and losing those tiny screws and nails. The Rack Magnetic Wristband is like having a third helping hand when you need it most. Packed with 10 super strong magnets, it securely holds nails, screws, drill bits, whatever you need. The exterior is tough, 1680D ballistic nylon, while the inside has a soft, breathable mesh. Wear it on your wrist, strap it to your belt, or even hang it on your workbench for easy access. Get stuff done, frustration-free. Now! For the kids at heart or gift idea for your kids, let's transform your space and bring the universe indoors with these incredible Galaxy projectors. This 8th Gen Planetarium Galaxy projector is out of this world. It uses film discs to project stunning, high-definition images of the cosmos. Explore the moon, the solar system, breathtaking nebulae like the pillars of creation, distant galaxies, and even mesmerizing jellyfish. With 360-degree rotation, colorful mood lighting options, adjustable focus, and an extra-large projection range, it truly brings the universe to you. An enchanting vibe, especially for kids. Check out the Moco Key Star Projector Nightlight. It's super easy to use with simple ABC buttons. Button A controls rotation. Button B cycles through warm white and multiple vibrant color modes. Blue, red, green, and cool combinations. You can even have all colors changing. It's a perfect gift, creates a magical bedroom mood, and comes in various cute colors. Now, if you have a car and/or a phone, these next gadgets will find use in your space. Let's face it, we've all been there, dropping your phone, keys, or snacks into that dreaded black hole between your car seats. Say goodbye to that frustration with the No-Drop Seat Guard. This simple but genius filler installs in seconds, creating a barrier so nothing disappears into the abyss again. It doesn't interfere with your seatbelt and keeps your essentials right where you need them. Pure relief. Tired of carrying a tangled mess of charging cables? The Minlu 5-in-1 retractable charging cable is the ultimate solution. And you get a 2-pack. It easily extends to multiple lengths and features both USB-C and USB-A inputs. With USB-C and Lightning outputs, charge your iPhone, your Android, connect to your MacBook, even use it for CarPlay in your car. The housing even doubles as a handy phone stand. Talk about versatile and clutter-free. And there you have it. Incredible problem-solving, life-upgrading Amazon finds. They cater for your breakfast routine, taming kitchen clutter, creating cosmic vibes, and making DIY a breeze, making your life easier and a whole lot more awesome. If any, or let's be honest, all of these brilliant products caught your eye, you are in luck. We've put our links for every single one right down in the video description. Clicking those links won't cost you a penny extra. So go ahead, explore those links. And while you're down there, do us a solid. Smash that like button if you found a new must-have today. Comment below, which of these 20 finds are you most excited about? Or is there a mind-blowing gadget we totally missed? Spill the tea! And most importantly, if you're not already part of the crew, hit subscribe and ring that notification bell so you never miss our next batch of genius discoveries.